Hi there, I'm Jason from K&D Digital, and thank you for requesting a review of your website. I'm looking forward to getting stuck into it. I will have a look at your website and the sort of some of the technical analysis, a little bit of SEO, a little bit of search, and social as well, and how that all combines. Digital strategy, as you know, isn't just your website, it's all of those things combined to make a better user experience first, and to create an experience for your customers that is going to get them to buy and get them into your site. I think from your initial, you've got a whole bunch of opportunities on your website to really integrate that. It looks like you've started tackling Facebook recently, which is brilliant, and driving some of the content within Facebook with your campaign related to Flawless, which is really nice. It'd be great to see that soak back into the website as well, which needs a little bit of work. So let's have a look. You obviously, it's a consumer product, so direct B2C, not B2B. I'd be really trying to reposition this site so that all the natural beauty and elements of the product are reflected in people's experiences using video and features that you've got on your site, but also that you've got on your socials, but not on your site. So, this needs to be refreshed with some nice imagery and even a video in that first thing that gives that real emotional connection to the product. And then really build out these pages that are a little bit more, it's a bit bitsy, I'd like to see video, I'd like to see more warm emotional connection to the product like you're doing in your Flawless campaign, and really bring that into an active site. So that means getting content feeds into this page with fresh content, not just standard slide content, if you like. The view products, when I go through, view products, I'm not looking at any products, so there's some errors there. If I go to your the black soap product, this is the start of a page, but just having a boxed product here isn't really doing the product justice. When you see on your Facebook page, you've got some lovely photography and imagery related to the product, and so you're doing some work here, which is great. But like this awesome shot of the product in action, it would be great if the website actually did that as well. On a technical level, your mobile delivery is not up to scratch. So your mobile site, so your content is displaying over the product. It's not really doing its thing. If I look on the home page, yes, that is mobile friendly, but you've still got some display issues of overlap sort of things here. And your menu is working, which is nice, but actually, yes, I'm going to click on the arrows down rather than just on the menu. See, if I click on the menu, nothing is showing. So you've got some improvements you can make here. This very hard to read. And then when I go through to the product, again, text on thing. So there's plenty of opportunity to really bring these pages to life. As far as navigation on this page, I would combine your distributorship and your where to find us, pull that into one section, like where to buy. So you can either buy it on Amazon, find a distributor in your country, become a distributor if you're trying to expand your market. These retail locations should be really, if you're really targeting global, this should not just be one Lagos location or retail chains. This should be the map It should be location, where to find a distributor or where to find a store located on your map, like what you're doing on this this map here. Oh, it's on the other map, sorry, on this local distributing section. Oh, I did see a map somewhere. Hang on. Let's have a look at find this map. There we go. Okay, like what you're doing here, you could be more proactive about stores in particular locations, and use that find dudu osun near me. From a mobile search perspective. Yeah, could really combine that with a much more connectivity to where you can actually find the product. You do have this retail locations, but the online store, when I click through to the online store, only has one product. I can't buy any more of your product. So that needs to be a full connectivity to all your products available online to really make that happen. So there's a lot to be done in here to really make this feel like your brand is connected to your people that obviously love your product. There's, it has a fantastic position, but your website's not totally reflecting that at the moment. I would be cross-referencing other natural products, natural soap products that what are your competitors doing online in that space to make some decisions there. Okay, let's look at some technical stuff. Your site is loading in 9.45 seconds. Now, that's not too bad, but really for the type of site you are loading, that should be more like 4 to 5 seconds. You should be able to halve that down with some better optimization of the site. And also here's Google's page speed index of your site. For mobile, you're not really ranking very well, and obviously you've got issues with the display on mobile as well, but you've got some work to do in making sure that Google finds that. Look, to be honest, it's very hard to rank this, to score well in this area, but you can certainly improve on the 29 out of 100. Same with desktop. It can be very hard to rank really well with this, but you've got plenty of things you can do with imagery, delivery of the site, get some fresh content. You need a nice, smooth, fresh flow of content on the website, like what you're doing on Facebook, within your site itself. That will make a big difference. So if I do a search for your brand, I'm getting all these different places to buy, and I'm getting YouTube feeds, but I'm getting YouTube feeds from different people, not you. My recommendation is that you launch a YouTube channel and really drive that channel hard with your own content. That will get you controlling your content within these search pages way better than leaving it up to everyone else to market or comment on your product. It'll allow you to control the position of your product within global searches. So you need to go hard with a YouTube channel rather than somebody else just doing a review of your site. And the same was of your product. Yes, it's available in all of these places, but you can take control of that distributorship as well. Now I'm searching from Australia, so I'm getting different results here. The other thing I should say about if I have a brand, you should have a Google My Business profile as well. Again, you get control of your brand in the international search space and be able to take control of that. I've done another search as well for, what I should say, if I've done a search for your brand, I should be seeing your site appear here as a search, but I'm not. So having fresh content on your site and some good solid content, really driving that product position will really help your core site to rank here as well. And yeah, this is where you'll appear on the map, and your videos, take control, get that happening. So yeah, there you go. That's around search. For your social, your posts in social, obviously you're doing some great things here. Very, very happy with what you're doing here. Just keep it up. Keep the regular content posting up, but it needs to be integrated back into your website. Same with your Facebook feeds. This is brilliant. You've got lots of likes, lots of people following. This is the energy that you're putting in here. You should spread across your different channels. So hopefully that's been helpful with your website. You can, if you'd like to know more about us, please visit our site knd.com.au. We are in Australia and you're in Nigeria, I think. So just reach out if you need to, but hopefully some of these ideas can help you on your way. Hope you've got a great product. Obviously, people love it, but you can do a lot more with your website to drive that and get distribution happening a little bit more efficiently. Thanks for watching.